everyone, and welcome back to Talk Walk English, where learning English is simple and enjoyable.
Hi, Bella. It's fantastic to be here today. How are you doing?
I'm great, Jimmy, thanks. How about you?
I'm actually a little hungry, Bella.
Hungry already?
Yes, I'm just dreaming about food. So much food. A giant hamburger, some fries, a large soda. Yum.
Wow, Jimmy, that sounds amazing. Now you're making me hungry too.
Sorry about that, but it does give me a good idea for our podcast today.
Oh, that's a brilliant idea. Let's discuss food. Let's talk about visiting a restaurant.
Yes, a restaurant. Going to a restaurant and using English. It can be simple and enjoyable.
Exactly. It's a wonderful way to practice your English. So today we'll be covering English conversations at a restaurant.
That's an excellent topic. But first, everyone, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Talk Walk English.
Yes, and give this video a like if you're feeling hungry like Jimmy, and share it with your friends and family. It really helps us out.
Yes, it really does. Thank you all. So, Bella, a restaurant. I'm standing at the entrance. What do I do? What should I say?
Good question. You open the door, you walk inside, and you'll see a person. This person is the host or the waiter. You just smile and say hello or hi.
Hello. That's simple. I can manage that.
Yes, you can. Next, you need a table. So you can say, a table for two, please.
Ah, a table for two, please, if it's just me and you.
Exactly. Or a table for three, please, if you've brought another friend.
So a table for, and then the number of people.
That's right. Very simple. A table for one, please, if you are dining alone.
Okay. Hello. A table for one, please. And then the waiter says,
The waiter would likely smile and say, this way, please, or follow me, please.
and I follow the waiter to my table.
Yes, you sit down at the table, and what's the very first thing you want at the table, Jimmy?
The food.
Close. Before the food, you'll need the menu.
Ah, right. The menu. To look at the food and decide on the food.
Right. So the waiter might hand you the menu, or you might need to ask for it.
How do I ask for the menu in English?
You can just say, can I have the menu, please?
Can I have the menu, please? That sounds very polite.
Yes, please is an excellent word to use in a restaurant. It's very friendly.
Okay. So I've got the menu. I open it. I see all these words. Starters, main courses, desserts, drinks.
Wow, look at you, Jimmy. Yes, starters are the small dishes you eat first, like a soup or a small salad.
Soup. I like soup. Tomato soup is really good.
Me too. So you look at the starters, and then you look at the main courses.
The main course is the big dish, isn't it? The principal plate.
Yes, exactly. Like chicken, fish, pasta, or your hamburger.
Hamburger. And what is a dessert?
Dessert is the sweet food you have at the very end, like cake, ice cream, or fruit.
I love dessert. Chocolate cake is my absolute favorite.
Ooh, chocolate cake is a wonderful choice. And lastly, drinks.
Drinks are things like water, juice, or soda.
Perfect. You know all the vocabulary, Bella.
I'm learning. So the waiter walks over to my table. He has a little notepad. He smiles. What does he say?
He will probably ask, are you ready to order?
Are you ready to order? And I can reply, yes, I am.
Yes. Or you could say, yes, please. Or if you need more time, you can just say, just a minute, please.
That's really useful. Just a minute, please.
Okay, but I'm hungry. I'm ready. So I say, yes, I am.
Great. Now it's time to order your food. This is the exciting part.
How do I say it? Do I say, I want a hamburger?
I want is okay, but a more polite way to say it is, I would like. Or, I'll have.
I would like. Ah, that sounds nice. So I can say, I would like the hamburger, please.
That is perfect. The waiter will understand that 100%.
Okay. I would like the hamburger. What else can I say? You mentioned I'll have.
Yes, I'll have. It's the short form of I will have. You can say, I'll have the hamburger, please.
I'll have the hamburger. That sounds very natural. I like that.
So let's practice. I'll be the waiter. I'll use a friendly waiter voice. Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please.
Okay, 1 tomato soup. And for your main course?
I'll have the hamburger, please.
Excellent choice. And would you like anything to drink?
Ah, the drink. I forgot about that. What do I say?
The same thing. I would like or I'll have.
Okay. I would like a soda, please.
Perfect. So that's 1 tomato soup, 1 hamburger, and 1 soda. The waiter might repeat your order back to you.
To check, just to make sure it's all correct?
Yes, exactly. And you can just say, yes, that's right. Thank you.
Thank you. Another very good, polite word.
Always. So you order your food and then you wait. You can chat with your friend and then the food arrives. The best moment.
It is. The waiter brings the food and says, enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal. And what do I say back?
You just say thank you.
Okay, so the food is on my table. My hamburger looks so good.
And my salad looks fresh and yummy. During the meal, the waiter might come back.
Yes, the waiter might check in and ask, is everything okay?
And if it's good, I can say,
You can say, yes, it's delicious, or yes, everything is great. Thank you.
delicious. That's a great word. Delicious.
Yes, it means very, very good, like your hamburger.
My hamburger is delicious. What if I need something, like more water?
Ah, good question. You try to make eye contact with the waiter. When they pass by, you can say, excuse me,
Excuse me. To get their attention, right?
and then you say, can I have some more water, please?
Can I have some more water, please? Or can I have some more bread, please?
Yes, or another soda. Can I have another soda, please?
This is really useful. It's all very simple and polite.
It is. The key words are really just please and thank you.
Okay, I've finished my delicious hamburger. I am very full and very happy.
Me too. My salad was great. But what about dessert?
Oh, dessert. How could I forget the chocolate cake?
The waiter might come and clear your empty plates. He might ask, would you like to see the dessert menu?
And I say, yes, please, very quickly.
So, you look at the dessert menu, you spot the chocolate cake, and when the waiter returns, you say, I would like the chocolate cake, please.
Perfect.
You're a pro, Jimmy.
It just seems easy when you explain it, Bella. So I eat my delicious cake. It is delicious. Now I am truly, truly full.
The meal is over. It was wonderful. Now it's time to pay.
Ah, the bill. The money part.
Yes. So once again, you get the waiter's attention. Excuse me.
Excuse me. And then?
You can say, can I have the bill, please? Or the check, please.
Bill or check, they mean the same thing?
Yes. In the UK, people usually say bill. In the US, people often say check. But everyone will understand both.
Okay, so the bill please is fine.
It's perfect. The waiter will bring a small piece of paper that shows the total price.
And I can pay with cash or with a credit card.
That's right. You can ask, do you take credit cards if you aren't sure?
Good tip. And when I hand them the money or the card, I can say, here you are.
Here you are. Yes, very natural. They'll take your payment and bring it back.
And that's all. I'm ready to leave.
Yes, you can stand up, and as you're leaving, you can smile at the waiter and say thank you, goodbye.
That's a nice way to finish. Thank you. Goodbye.
It really is. It shows that you appreciated the food and the service.
So let's do a very quick review, a role play. You be the waiter, I'll be the customer, from the beginning to the end.
Great idea. I love role playing. Okay. Hello, sir. Welcome.
Hello. A table for one, please.
Of course. This way, please. Here is your table.
Thank you. Can I see the menu, please?
Certainly. Here you are. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the chicken with vegetables, please.
An excellent choice. Anything to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please.
Perfect. 1 chicken with vegetables and 1 water. I'll be right back with your drink.
Thank you.
Wow, Jimmy, you are doing so well.
This is fun. It makes it much easier to remember.
It does. It shows the entire conversation, from hello to ordering to what happens next.
The food arrives.
Here is your chicken and your water. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks great. Mmm.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it's delicious. Thank you.
Wonderful. Let me know if you need anything. So you finished your food.
Yes, I'm finished. It was so good. Now I need to pay. Excuse me?
Yes, sir?
Can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Right away. Here is your bill.
Thank you. Here you are.
Thank you, sir. I'll be right back. Here is your card and your receipt.
Thank you for everything. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a great day.
Wow, that was the entire thing. It seems so simple now.
It is simple. The phrases are short and easy to remember. A table for, can I have, I would like, and the bill, please.
And always, please, and thank you.
Always. Politeness is key. It just makes everyone feel good.
I feel much more confident now. I really think I can go to a restaurant and order in English.
I know you can, Jimmy. And everyone listening can too. Just start simple. Order something you recognize, like fish and chips or a cheese pizza.
That's a great idea. Don't pick something with a really long, difficult name at first.
Right. Keep it simple and smile. A smile is understood in every single language.
A smile and please. That's my new strategy.
It's a perfect strategy. It will work every time.
What about you, Bella? What's your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Oh, I love pasta. Any kind of pasta. Pasta with tomato sauce is my favorite. It's simple and it's always delicious.
A classic choice. Very nice.
What about you, Jimmy? Besides a hamburger.
I do like other food. I really like pizza. A big pizza with cheese and mushrooms.
Pizza is a fantastic choice. Now I'm thinking about pizza.
See, we always end up hungry on this podcast.
It's true. But I really hope our conversation today was helpful for everyone listening.
I hope so too. Remember, practice is so important. You can even practice at home with a friend or a family member.
Yes, one person acts as the waiter and one person is the customer, just like we did. It really does help.
It does. And don't be afraid of making mistakes. It's fine. People are usually very friendly and they'll help you.
That is the most important tip, Jimmy. Just try. People will always appreciate that you're trying to speak their language.
Exactly. So I think that's a lot of great information for one episode.
I agree. It was a delicious episode.
It was. Well, that is all the time we have for today. Thank you all so much for listening.
Yes, thank you. We hope you feel more prepared to visit a restaurant and order in English. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Talk Walk English, so you don't miss our next episodes.
And please share this episode with anyone who is learning English. It's a great way to help them too. And for today's comment, please tell us, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Ooh, yes. I want to read those comments. Tell us your favorite food. Is it pizza, pasta, a hamburger? Let us know.
We look forward to reading your answers. Thank you again for joining us. Until next time, keep practicing.
And keep smiling.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now.